People often wonder, what is the best way to train? Some would say this, some would say that, some would say that. I say, try out most styles of training, most training programs, not all. Now, what style of training, program, technique, what have you utilize will be dependent upon how much experience you have, your strength level, all that stuff. Beginner, intermediate, advanced. So certain programs may not be appropriate for you at that particular time. But fret not. Eventually you may be able to do those programs. It just takes a little intuition, a little research, hypothesis. You get the idea. I have done HIIT style training, various forms of it. I did that for years. I've done Christian Thibodeau style training, Chad Waterbury style training, blah 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 blah. I've had fun with it. Some types of training I've enjoyed more than others, and I've stayed with longer than others. Think of training styles programs as colors. You have that picture of your training life, and they will fill in that picture, those colors. Make it colorful. Make it pretty. Brutally pretty. And you'll be better for it. And better is vastly underrated.